Are you kidding me? I'm taking a... Let's do this. Hi guys. My name is Andrea and welcome to my channel. Tonight, or today, we're gonna talk about how I perm my hair, and in a few minutes I'm gonna show that to you guys. But yeah, this is not my first home perm. It's my family. It was awesome. I don't think I really need to talk that much about like my hair. You guys can see. If you guys have any question how to take care of it, you can just ask me. So easy, but you can see it looks like, as I'm saying, this is not my first rodeo. What are you doing? That's why I'm kind of used to styling it and then making it look as awesome as it can be. And yeah, I reperm twice, so I think you can skip to it. Okay, let's go guys and stay tuned. So if you want to see, oh, by the way, this is already the rinse out. This is the third day of the perm. So as you guys can see, it's still, it didn't fall out. Thank you guys, see you. Or you can just fold it in half so it's easier. That's what I used to, for the sake of using to because it's such a waste. Just make sure there's no tails. Like, smooth it out as smooth as you can. And we're gonna start doing this. So we're gonna roll. For the first roll, you're gonna kind of like, oh, it needs to be going inside, huh? Okay. Then you need to make it not let them overlap. So basically, make sure they don't overlap that much, or if they do, they're like on top of each other. But other than that, you just leave it like that. And that is one of them. That's how you do it. And he's gonna do it to my whole head, but you see, it's like self-explanatory. But look, then when you, oh, I'm gonna take this off obviously, but guys, we are back. This is my hair before perming it. I just want the end to be like more curly. That's why we're gonna redo it. This is how it looks like when it's wet. It looks pretty. This is the best perm my mom gave me since the beginning of time. But I wanna redo the ends, and you'll never know. You might see me next time shaving my head off. Maybe. Okay, go. So nice though. It's just like I want them thicker. Okay, got it, babe. That carrot. It's pretty nice considering like it is a whole perm. Can you give me? Oh yeah, my fiance is perming my hair. Oh no, it's in the floor. I saw it on the floor. I feel bad. I should not reperm this. It looks awesome. I just need to put more product. We'll see. I'm scared for myself. Get messed up. Better luck next year. I haven't seen the box of this. Yeah, as you guys see, this is what I said we're going to use. I got it from Amazon. Amazon. Okay. they have this the hair cover. It's not like it will fit unless your head is so small. Okay, should I open this up? For professional use only. Yeah, they don't let this sell in the Sally's Beauty Salon. I need
Kick. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it.
When I put my no, I'm gonna be on this. You know, you need to move around to the part where like be on that side of the hair, right? Oh my god, to see my means side view. How to look like a ball perm. Aideen! Tangina ka? Did you saw her? This is her favorite thing in the world. Being hung upside down. Don't matter. Yeah, if you're seeing my underarm, don't care. I don't think it's this anymore. Yeah, give me the water. Looks like it needs love. I should start on this. Fish down. I might not be going. I'm doing this like with Flexi rod. I need to section it like as I go. As you guys see, I section it each time I need a space, so I'll kind of manage it some more. But if you're using the regular perm rod, it will be different from this. Obviously, you need to section it like to begin with. It's just easier for me to section it first before I even started. In front of the face. You see how it rolls? it rolls this way. If it's going away, it's rolling that way. Pupuin the thing.
Are you not gonna shower?
No, I was not planning on showering today.
For the week?
Yeah, for the week. Why is her head wet too?
It's been sprayed.
That does not sound right.
Sprayed, baby.
No, it sounds like spade baby. You know when you get rid of the overs of the dogs? Spade. I think she wanna be with you, Vincent.
Yeah, but I cannot be speaking her when I'm doing this. I don't have phone.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on. Yeah, hey, we're down to the last two, so we're gonna part that shit out of that after we farted. There you go. I'm gonna use the blue. Get the. Where's the backing paper? Ay, the paper. The paper. We need to put this thing on the paper so it doesn't have that weird texture by the end of it. It's too high, I couldn't see.
What are you doing there?
Okay, so we're gonna do this. And we're done after this. To you, to Kathy. We need to make it go sideways. Beans, it got stuck. Look the hair. But you guys can see. Done. One of them got stuck. I guess they're gonna go in the front then. Oh guys, we finished like wrapping all of it here. And we're just gonna put the waving illusion all together. And this is Aiden with Dada. Aiden with Dada. Aiden, say hi. Hi. Aiden, hi. 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 Mijo, hi. She don't wanna say hi. Time for the firming solution. Apply it evenly. Then rinse after 20 minutes. So now we're gonna rinse it out in warm water for 5 minutes. Yeah. Let's go. So guys, this is the last 2 minutes of this, and I'll update you guys in few days. As you guys can see, so cute. Hopefully it stays like this for a few days. In 2 days. 2 days? 2 days after rinse it out. For watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you soon.